doing this real quick because I started out with that right there, which means I started out with a fucking air pistol. And after having this air pistol, I worked my way up to this air pistol. Yeah, I manifested this. .50-round drum. A little bit heavy, but you know. Yeah, this is what I worked my way up to. Need more mags, need more ammo. What is coming? And then I got this, which I just ordered that and more pins. I extended this, Now I have the mag release on my index finger side. 18-round metal mag, can't fuck with it. Red dot scope, Glock 17. And I just got my old ass Smith & Wesson back from the Jefferson County Sheriff's Department because somebody stole it from me a long time ago and they found my shit, apparently. So hell yeah. Only if I had beautiful girls like everybody else does to help me, because their lives have been given to them, mine hasn't.